हेलो फ्रेंड, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम बेसिक ऑफ HTML थ्योरी और इम्पोर्टेंट टैग्स डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है HTML को सीखने के लिए। What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of web page. HTML consists of series of elements. HTML elements tells the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label piece of content such as this is heading, this is paragraph, this is link, etc. Now, what is an HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and end tag. There we put tag name, content goes here, and close tag name. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to end tag. Then we start h1 tag, my first heading, and h1 close tag. Paragraph, we start from paragraph tag, my first paragraph, then close my paragraph. Start tag, h1 is start tag, then my first heading, this is element content, then end tag, h1 is close tag. Paragraph, start from paragraph tag, my first paragraph, paragraph close tag. BR is a self close tag, that's no end tag and no element content. This is used for breaking any line. Basic tags explained. The doc type HTML declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of HTML page. Head element contains meta information about the HTML page. Title. The title element specified a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser title bar or in the browser tab. Body. The body elements defines the document's body and is container for all the visible content such as heading, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, list, etc. H1. The H1 element defines a large heading. Paragraph tag. The paragraph tag element defines a paragraph. HTML history. Since the earlier days of the World Wide Web, there have been many versions of HTML. Year and version from 1989, all are the given. So please kindly you take screenshot because we have a very short time. Now we move the structure of HTML page. Now we show you HTML page structure. This is HTML area and this is head and this is body part. H1 is heading, then paragraph heading, paragraph, then other paragraph. This is a front page part. These all are HTML page structure. Theory is completed. Now we show you how to create HTML file. First of all, you go to window, then search run, then click it, then open this terminal, click on OK. This is notepad. Doc type is very important tag. Doc type HTML. Then we HTML tag open, HTML tag close, then we type head open and head close. Then we type in title open, title close tag. Then this is my title, my page. Then we start body tag open and close. Then we type heading 1, h1 heading, h1 close. Welcome to my page. This is my first heading. Then we type paragraph. We using paragraph open tag. Then we close tag. First paragraph. This is my first paragraph. Then save this file. When you save this is page paragraph. H1 heading is largest heading in HTML. Now we show you all headings. Now here is all heading. This is largest heading and this is smallest heading. This is are all headings types. Now we using BR tag to break this two paragraph. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Inshallah coming days I provide all programming course in my YouTube channel.